There are almost these many formulas I said, and the predefined also I said, predefined character classes. These many I said already. Okay. Now it's a time to see to go to the quantifiers. Quantifiers in quantifiers in regular expressions. So I'm going to talk about the quantifiers in regular expressions. So let me talk about it. Quantity means what? Number of values or quantity in hand. So amount of multiples we have. That is called what? Quantifiers. Multiples. If we add to our searching, that is going to be called quantifiers. For example, I will take the data something like this. So quantifiers means number of occurrences you want to search. Number of occurrences you want to search. For example, you take it. So I'm having some given data. For example, you take something. I will take my name KV, KKV, KKKV, KV. This is my data. For example, this is my data I'm having. So I want to find what so far. If I take number one, if I take only the letter called K, it will search for what? It will search for which letter? Exactly, it will search for 1K only. This searches for exactly 1K only. Like a Python we already did. Like that only 1K it will search. Let me go to this process once. I will go to this place. Here I am going to write it. Program for searching, program for searching exactly 1K, 1K. So I'm going to take it GD, import RE, import RE. I'm writing search pattern is equal to K. Now I'm going to write it for, what is that now? I will write it. Match details is equal to RE dot find ITER of SP comma GD. I'm going to write it SP comma GD. So I'm searching for exactly 1K. So I'm going to print it. I'm going to print it. Only 1K will be searching at a time. So how do you do? MAT in match details. Match details. Print of what I'm doing, start index, and I will take it as what here, end index, and then I will write what value. Value I will write it. Not a format of what I will do. Come on. MAT dot start, comma, MAT dot stop, comma, MAT dot group. MAT dot group I am going to take up. MAT dot group. Okay. One more bracket close. So I will write it like this. What it will give you? Output what will come? This output will be coming as 1. 1. This is called 1. Index is there or not? Start index 2. 1K. Next, this is called what 2, 3. One more kind of K will be coming. 3 and 4. One more type of K will be coming. Each one exactly 1K only will be searching. Next is called what? This is called what 0, 1, 1K. Any of 1 is not there. 2 and 3, 3 and 4. This is called 4, and this is called 5 and 6. 1K is there. 6 and 7, 1K is there. 7 and 8, 1K is there. The 9, anyhow, it is not there. And the 9 and 10, one more K is there. This is called exactly 1K only. It is listing. So let us run this code. Regular expression, regular expression Example, I hope, regular expression example 22.py. 22.py. Exactly 1k it is searching. So save it, go to the location. I'm going to take up. So coming to the point back, ఇక్కడ శబ్దం వస్తుంది చూడండి, ఆ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్ చేయండి. నువ్వు వెళ్తున్నావు ఆఫ్ చేయడానికి? ఆ? ఏమా ఏదది? నేను బెల్ కొట్టానమ్మా. ఇక్కడ నా దగ్గర ఒక బెల్ ఉంటది బయట. ఓకే. సో నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి దానికి. ఓకేనా? నేను చెప్పందని మీరు చెప్పినట్టే ఎందుకు అనుకుంటారు? నేను ఇక్కడ బెల్ ఉంటది నా దగ్గర ఒకటి. బెల్ కొడితే అక్కడ వాళ్ళు వస్తారు లోపలికి. అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఆఫ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. సో ఎనీ go to that. Come to the command prompt. Here I'm going to take it. So here I'm going to enter into this E:/cd Python. It is going to be 11 a.m. cd regular expression. I will execute py. Here I'm going to get it. So what is that? mat mat. So here I will run this code. What happens? re.match and then start end. Why you are not saying? Sorry, 100 now. Yes. Okay. Wrong ante wrong చెప్పాలి కదా. So 0 to 1 1k, 2 to 3 1k, 3 to 4 1k, 5 to 6 1k, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 9 to 10. These are all called what? Exactly 1k. Exactly 1k. Like that, okay? Danger always. So this is called what? Exactly 1k it is searching. So now I want to search for more than 1k. I want to search. This is exactly 1k. Are you following me now? So this part is saying that exactly 1k. Now what is my requirement today? More than 1k I want to search. More than 1k. What is the more than 1k here? I want to search for more than 1k. So I will apply what? Quantifier. So start index. Next is called what? End index and then value. What is that now? 0 to 1, 1k is there. 1k is there. Next is called what? 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 2k's are there. I want to search for more than 1k. Next, I want to go for what? Something like 5 to 8. 5 to 8. K is there. 3k's are there. Next is called what? 9 to 10. 1k is there. That indicates what? I want to search for 1k or what? More k's. I want to search for 1k or more than 1k. I want to search for. For that, I will use what? K plus. What is that symbol called? K plus. If you want to search for more than 1k, that symbol name plus, I will write plus. What is the slash D? Search for digit. More than one digit if I want to search, I will write what? D plus. D plus. How to search for an alphabet? How to search for an uppercase alphabet? A to Z. I will search for more than one alphabet. A to Z plus. So this quantifiers and everything I will combine. So if I want to search like this, I will go for what? K plus. So symbol called plus. So I'm writing here. What I will write? K plus. Symbol called K plus. Searches for searches for one or more Ks. not only K, any letter, any digit, any special symbol, something like that. Go to the place. Here I am writing it. Go to the place. Here I am writing others and Python here. Python here. There I am writing students. So program for searching one or more case. One or more case. One or more case. So there I am going to write it. K plus 23.py. 23.py. So I want to execute. 23.py I am going to take up. Save this code. 23.py. There I am going to write it. Py. So here I am writing it. See students, here we got it. 0 to 1, 1k. 2 to 4, 2ks. 5 to 8, 3ks. 9 to 10, 1k. This is called one or what? More case. So plus symbol is representing what? One or more. One or more. Capital A to Z represents what? One alphabet. More than one alphabet, how do you represent? Plus I will add. Slash D represents what? One digit. Slash D plus indicates what? More than one digit. So you have to add quantifiers with our previous formulas. Okay. Next, I want to go for one more thing like this. What is the next formula? I'm going to take it. Look at. So start index and end index. Start index, end index, the value 0 to 1, 1k. 1, 1, no k. 1, 1, no k. One place, what is there? V, no k. And the next is called what? Come on, 2, 4. 2, 4. What is that now? 2, 4. What is there? Two k's are there. 4, 4, no k. 4, 4, no k. Next is called what? 5, 8. 5, 8. K, K, K. 8, 8. No K. అది సెట్ చేయాలి తొందరగా. Are you fast enough to count it? 8, 8, no K. 1, 1, no K. Next is called what? 9, 10, 1K. 9, 10, 1K. 10, 10, no K. 11, 11 also no K. 11, 11 also no K. What is this no K? What is the no K? 0K and 1K. More than 1K. No K. This is called no K. And what is this no K? This is called what? 1K. These are called what K? More than 1K. If I want to search for 0 occurrences, 1 occurrence, more than 1 occurrence, I will go for the symbol called K star. K star. Are you following me? K star. What is the third one? K star. Very, very important. These are all searches for, this is all searches for what? Searches for what? 0K, 0K, or 1K, 1, 1K, 1K, or more K, more case, more case, 0K, 1K, more case. So I will go to this place. I will write this and I'm going to enter into this place. Others here, Python now, I will go to this place. So searches for searching 0K or 1K or more K. This is called 23, 24 dot. I will write it K star, K star. I will write it. Regular expression 24.py. So execute. See here 24. So got it. 0 to 1, 1K. 1, 1, no K. 2, 4, 2Ks. 4, 4, no K. 4, 4 place, what is there? V is there. 1, 1 place, what is there? V is there. 5 to 8, 2K, 3Ks are there. 8, 8, no K. 8 place is called what? V. And 9, 10, 1K is there. 10, 10, no K. 11, 11, no K. Exactly what I wrote it. Are you following me? This is called what? Plus. This is called what? Star. Next. Online students, are you following? Are you following these outputs? Speed up. So once we are going on coming to the end of the course, we should get unlimited energy. So provided when we read the notes change అదవలేదనుకోండి, you'll get the course is over. I don't know anything. You'll get back to pavilion. Dogtail again. Dogtail. If I read daily, it will be getting unlimited energy. So I'm going to write it next. K question mark. Question mark means what? When I put a question, what is your reply? Reply either answer, no answer. Either answer, no answer. No answer means what? Zero. Answer means what? One. What is the question mark says? What is the question mark says? Starting entry, starting index, ending index, value. 0, 1, K. 1, 1, no K. 1, 1, no K. 2, 3, K. 3, 4, K. 5, 5, no K. 6, 7, K. 7, 8, K. Next 9, 10, K. Like that 1 K or no K. That is called 0 K or what? 1 K. That is called what? Question mark. K question mark. Searches for what? 0 K or 1 K. Let us go to the program. Here I will search for, I'm going to enter into this place. Here I'm writing it. Python here. There I'm writing. Searches for 0K or 1K. There I'm going to write it. 25 dot. There I will write it question mark. There I will write something like this. Regular expression dot 25.py. 25.py. There I'm going to write it. 25.py. There I'm going to write it. See, 0, 1, 1K, 1, 1, no K, 2, 3K, 4, 3, 4K, 4, 4, no K, 5, 6K, 6, 7, 8, 8, no K, 9, 10K, 10, 10, no K, 11, 11, no K. What is this is called? 0K or 1K. What is this K called? 1 or more. What is this? 0 or 1 or more. What is this? What is the symbolic notation? Question mark. What is the previous one? Star. What is that previous? Plus. Plus. Understand? Right. Go. Next. Last. I want to search for all of them. I want to search for all of them. How do you search? What is that? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1K. 1, 2, V. 2, 3K. 3, 4K. And 5, 6 V, 6, 7K, 7, 8K, 8, 9K, 9, 10, no, something. Whether K is there, K, V is there, K, something like that. All of them I want to search. What is that? Can I expect it? Dot. What is that? Dot. Searches for all occurrences. Searches for, searches for all occurrences. All occurrences. So let's go to the place. Let's go to the place. Here I'm writing it. I'm writing this one. Python here. There I'm writing it. So 6.py, 26.py, searching for what is that? All occurrences. 26 dot. Here I'm writing it. Dot here. So I'm getting like this. Regular expression 26.py. Out of that, execute py. Got it. Student sir, 0, 1, 2, 3. Everything is coming. And one thing incrementing here. All kv, kkv, kkkv, kv. All of them are coming. This is called what symbol? Dot. So how many quantifiers are there? How many quantifiers? Exactly one. One or more. That is called what? Plus. Symbol called what? Plus. 1, 0 or 1 or more is called what? Star. 0 or 1 question mark all. All called what? Dot. These are called quantifiers. Very, very important. Got it? So tell me, quantifiers. Who will tell quantifiers? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పినా అనుకున్నావు కదా, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. లే, స్టార్ట్. కే కాదు, వి కాదు. సెర్చింగ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఫర్ వన్. చెప్పు. ఎస్. సెకండ్, సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ వన్ ఆర్ మోర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద సింబల్? ప్లస్. నెక్స్ట్, searching for 0 or 1 or more, star. Next, searching for 0 or 1, question mark. Next, searching for all single occurrences is called what? Dot. Okay. Next. చెప్పు. అరే, కే మరి నా పేరు ఎందుకు మళ్ళా? ఇప్పుడు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి పోయిన కేవి అని చెప్తావా? సెర్చెస్ ఫార్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వన్, అట్లా చెప్పు. నెక్స్ట్, డాటా. చెప్పింది గుర్తుండదు అసలు. సెర్చెస్ ఫార్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 0 ఆర్ 1. సెర్చెస్ ఫార్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 1 ఆర్ మోర్. సెర్చెస్ ఫార్ 0 ఆర్ 1 ఆర్ మోర్. సెర్చెస్ ఫార్ ఆల్. కాంట్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దట్? కూర్చోండి. సో now I will move to the further. Online students, is it clear for you? Is the quantifiers concept is clear for you? And I am going to add some special points I am adding. Online students, are you there? So no response is coming. And feeling that sir is completing today the course and thinking, so course is completing. I did not write the notes. I did not read well. I did not do the project. I did not do reading well. What to do? Shall I join the course again? Monday onwards, sir is starting NumPy pandas. That is your doubt. Correct? All of them are matching, na? Come on. So one student is sitting in the chair and moving like that. Moving like that. Say, start. Say, how many quantifiers are there? Start. Yes, who is moving? You only moving. Start. How many? 5. Tell me, first one. Hmm? Hmm? Searching for exactly. Next. What is the symbol? No. No. Question mark. 0 or 1. Either answer or no answer. Question mark. Here. Question mark. Searching for 0 or 1. Question mark. Next. Searching for 1 or more. 1 or more plus. Here. Searching for 1 or more. Okay. Searching for only 1 is not there. Searching for all occurrences of the given. All. Not only 1. All occurrences. Next. Searching for 0 or 1 or more. What is the symbol? Star. So totally not saying. Should I? So need to have perfection about all these things. Special points I'm going to take up. Special points. Look at slash D. Slash D. What slash D will do? It searches for only one digit. Searches for only. I want to search for more than one digit. 2 digits I want to search. What I will write? One more D రాస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. అంటే 2 digits exactly 2 digits I want to search. How many D's? Slash DD. I want to search for 3 D's. I will write one more D. I will write one more D. Searches for what? 4-digit number, or 0 to 9. This is searching for only one digit. Again 0 to 9 searches for 2 digits. 0 to 9 again searching for 3 digits. 0 to 9 searches for 4 digits. Getting? Searches for which digits? 4 digits. 4-digit number it will look for. 4-digit number. 4-digit number it looks for. Simply, if I say slash D, first itla గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. What is the slash D? Single digit. I want to search for one or more digits. What is the symbol? Plus. Plus. Searches for, come on, searches for one or more digits. Searches for one or more digits. And this will search for even what is the length of the mobile number? 10. Purely in the 10, what must be there? Only digits must be there. How do you write it? Digits, 10 digits. Online students. Or I'll start the programming on that. I will also write 0 to 9 search for what digit? One digit. But I want to search for how many digits? See how simple it is. Very, very simple. Just left hand, left finger. Drinking like an apple juice. Anytime apple juice you've taken? Hmm? చెప్పండా apple juice you have taken? No. Taken or not? It is easy to drink or difficult to drink? Easy or difficult? Difficult. What you will drink, I don't know then. Apple juice, if you say difficult, which juice you will drink, I don't know. Huh? Coconut. Coconut water, it is easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? That much easy is more than that coconut drink is called. This one regular expression is easy. That much more than that is easy is that like that only. You have to go to coconut place and you have to cut that and you have to drink. So much force is required. But this is very simple. Very simple. No more pressure required. Automatically coming. Searches for, hmm, searches for what number? 10 digit, 10 digit number, 10 digit number, exactly. 10 digit number, exactly. 10 digit number, exactly. Okay. Now I want to, in general, I want to write student slash D slash of M. M. What is that M? Searches for, mm, searches for, in general, I rotate. Searches for what digit number? M digit numbers. M digit number. M digits number. This is 10 digits number. It is called what? M digit number. In place of M, what I can write? 3 I can write, 4 I can write, 5 I can write, anything I can write. Are you following? Sometimes I want to search for 3-digit number, 4-digit number, that is 3-digit number, 4-digit number I want to search. 3-digit number is there, I want to search. 4-digit number also I want to search. 5-digit number also I want to search. That time I will write what students slash D of M comma N I will write it. M comma N. M comma N, curly brace. M is called lower bound, N is called upper bound. Searches for, here I'm writing, searches for what? Minimum M digit number, minimum M digit number, and maximum N digit number. It means in middle of it, that values will be searched. That is known as what? It is as good as you can write it. You know already 0 to 9 of M you can write. This is you can write it here. This is called what 0 to 9, 0 to 9 of what m comma n. I can write it. Are you able to follow? So this is called the digits representation. Suppose if I want to represent any decimal values like a floating point values like this 44.96, 44.96. See how simple it is. What is this now? Slash dd dot slash dd. It searches for what? Two integer parts. And what is this now? Two decimal parts. And one symbol is also covered like this. I need to write this as a regular expression. Search pattern for searching which values? Floating point values. Floating point values. So I will write it here. Slash dd dot what? Slash dd. Slash dd. This is for what? Searches for a floating point value, floating point value, floating point value with minimum two digits, with two-digit integer part, two-digit integer part, and two-digit floating part, two digits, two digits floating point, decimal point. I mean decimal point, decimal points. This is called one kind of special rule. One more kind of thing. Suppose I want to look for like this, you take it. Chana easy even. So I'm writing A to Z. A to Z, A to Z. What it indicates? Any alphabet. Any alphabet. Single alphabet, more than one alphabet. Single alphabet. If I write plus, what it looks for? It's single for minimum one digit, one letter, and a maximum two-letter word, three-letter word, four-letter word, any bigger word it can look. Ready for it? Suppose I want to look for only three-letter word only. I want to get it. Three-letter word only. I want to get it. What I will do? I will write simply called what? Three. Three. What is the three indicates? Ikkada cheppan kada? M notation I said. What this indicates? Searches for searches for what? Three-letter word. Three-letter word. Three-letter word. Getting? In general, A to Z, small a to Z, small a to Z, I will write it M comma N, M comma N. What it searches for? What it searches for? Minimum M letter word, M letter word, and maximum what? This is called minimum M letter word and maximum what? N letter word, N letter word. I hope you are following me. Next, ninth, slash W. What is the slash W? Already yesterday completed. Word character. What W plus what it looks for? One or more word character. One or more word character. If I write it of what three, what it search for? It look for three-letter word that indicates alphabets. Digits also it will include. I think you are following me. So, like that, one can prepare your own regular expression provided when you know programmer defined character classes, predefined character classes, and quantifiers. These three things, if you combine, that will be more meaningful to our examples. Let me open it, students. One small example, I will open it. So before that, I will say quantifiers. I will show you here. Please look into that. So quantifiers in regular expressions are used for searching number of occurrences of specified value, maybe alphabets, maybe digits, maybe special symbol, whatever you like it, used in search pattern to search in given data obtains desired result. What quantifiers are doing? Searching for number of occurrences. Two letters word, three letters word, two-digit number, three-digit number, four-digit number, any digit number you can do by using quantifiers. Quantifiers are like this. K, exactly search for 1K. Because I am using my name, I am using some letter. K plus, K star, K question mark. That K is not important here. Plus, star, question mark, dot, that are important. Okay. So don't try to remember the subject, understand the subject. Not searching for what? All occurrences. Come on, special formulas, quantifiers combined with a programmer and a predefined character classes. Slash D plus one or more, 0 to 9 plus. Next is slash D of 10, 0 to 9 of 10. Searches for a 10 digit number exactly. D of M, 0 to 9 M digit number. Mn searches for minimum M digit number, maximum N digit number only. Next, W plus, like this. W of 5, A to Z, 0 to 9, etc. Same thing. I'm showing predefined characters, predefined character classes, programmer defined character classes also I'm combining. Hmm. W of, like this. This one, A to Z of 3, searches for 3 letter word purely contains what? Alphabets. Like that. M comma N, maximum purely containing alphabets. Slash DD dot, decimal floating point value. Two integer part and two decimal parts with digits. Clear or not clear? Clear. This is called what? Quantifiers. Online students. Is it okay, ma'am? Is it clear for all of you? Come on, fast. Right. Now I'm going to enter into the programs I want to tell. I want to tell you the programs. In this index, if you see, you are under this area. So now I'm going to take these examples here. Right? Open the notes. Online students, everybody need to listen. Today Python class is getting completing. Python classes. Python classes, that is called module number one, is module one course is completing. It is going to complete today. And in the Monday, next Monday, it is going to start module 2. All of you need to remember module 2. NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib will be starting. Matplotlib, this is going to start on Monday at 11 a.m. So Monday 11 a.m. don't bring Python notebook. NumPy Pandas something is different. What about Python class? Don't keep such innocent doubts. Today is getting completed, and Monday immediately it is going to start this one. This will be taking 45 days session. 40 between 45 to 50 days session. It is going to start module 2 from Monday. So everybody should register in the webinar if you are in online. If you want to come to offline class you come. Right? It is your choice. Both offline and online is available. Okay, students, this you are already noticed already in the class. Right? Right up. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will validate mobile number. Which will validate the mobile number. Okay. Now I'm going to start the example. Look at that. How do you write a normal Python program for validation of mobile number? Program for validating the mobile number. Mobile number. So how do you do? I will go to import RE. Now I'm going to write it. Come on. MNO is equal to input of enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Okay. Now I am taking in what way? STR I am taking. STR. I am taking in STR. Okay. Fine. What is the length of the mobile number? 10. So here I will write it. I am just considering the length. Whether it is a numbers are there or digits are there or special symbols are there or alphabets are there, I am not considering. Just I am considering length first. Is equal to what? 10. If it is that case, I will simply say that it is a valid. For example, I'll simply write it valid. Later I will write the lots of code. Hold on. Now I will write it else. Else means what? I need to write, say here, backslash t is, here I am writing backslash t is invalid mobile number length. Invalid mobile number length. Mobile number length. Mobile number length. What is this now? Try again. Try again. Try again means what? It has to go back to the mobile number to validate or not. What I will write here? While true, I will write it. Already this type of logics already completed. While true. If the number is correctly entered, we will simply say what? Break. This part is a normal Python code only. Normal Python code only. So here I will write it. I will change this code. Mobile number validation. Validation example.py. So there I am going to take up. So here I am going to save it. For a minute you save. So go to the come out of that. Here I am going to come py done. Enter the mobile number 999 888. I'm just going to write it. How many? 10. 10. Count it. Count it. Are you okay? So next time writing one more 9. How many? 11. 11. So it is going to be called what? Invalid mobile number length. I will write what? Dot format of what? MNO. I will write dot format of MNO. I will try to write it. Invalid mobile number length. Try again. I will write it something like 9 I am writing. 9 I am removing. 8 also I am removing. What is the mobile number length? 9. It is also called invalid mobile number length. It is done. Okay, now I am writing 8. It is a valid mobile number length. At this point of time, no issue. Next I am going to write it. Suppose like this. Here I am going to write it. Some A I am writing. A. Is it a valid mobile number? No. Length is 10 only. Length is 10 only. But it is not a validity. Technically, it is not a valid one. It is giving valid. So here I am going to write some piece of validation code. In that mobile number which contains a 10, purely what must be there? Digits must be there. So how do you check the digits in a smart way? If it is a normal Python code, I need to write what? Take the first letter of the 10 digits and check is it digit or not. Each digit 10 times I have to write the big loop I have to write. That will take lot of time complexity. I will prepare what now? Regular expression I will write it. I will do that validation by regular expression. What is the regular expression? RE dot. What is the function name? Search I will use it. Search. Why? One time only I want to search in the entire 10 digits. I'm going to use a search. Search. What I'm going to write it? Regular expression I need to write. Search pattern I have to write. MNO is my given data. MNO is my given data. I have to validate this data by preparing your regular expression. What is your regular expression for searching mobile number with the 10 digits? Slash D of 10. Slash D of 10. No space to be there. What is the slash D of 10? The search function will search in MNO purely with what? 0 to 9 with the 10 digits. You can happily write like this also. Like this also you can write it. No problem. You can write like this. You can write like this also. You can also write like this. I already said to you. And a slash D is called what? Slash is there. I will write or. Last class I said what? Or. So this, if MNO purely containing 10 digits, what it returns? Which object it will return? చదువుకొని రారు, ఉత్తగడ బ్యాగ్ వేసుకొని వాటర్ బాటిల్ పెట్టుకొని వస్తారు. ఏం లాభం దానివల్ల? ఏం లాభం దానివల్ల? అట్లా ఎవరు వెళ్తారు తెలుసా? అట్లా వాటర్ బాటిల్ పెట్టుకొని అట్లా బాక్స్ తీసుకొని ఎవరు వెళ్తారు తెలుసా? సో స్టూడెంట్ విల్ కమ్ వాట్? With a full preparation. Then there is a meaning. So this will return what? Two things it will return. If my MNO contains purely digits, it will return what? Match object it will return. Match object it will return. Match object it will return. If it is not matching, it will return what? Yesterday I said you none. None means what? Invalid result. Match object returns what? It is a valid number. So I'm going to write RES. What I will do? If RES not equal to none, I will say RES equal to none. It is going to be backslash T is valid mobile number. Valid mobile number. Dot format of MNO. Dot format of MNO. Break. Else. What should I write it? Print of backslash T is invalid mobile number. Invalid mobile number. Invalid mobile number. Invalid mobile number. Must enter. Must enter. Don't enter. Or must enter into digits only. Into digits only. Into digits only. Try again. Try again. Dot format of what? MNO. That's all. This entire story is the main important. Execute. Super. Enter. So here it is going to be 11. 11 in digits. Invalid mobile number length. Now you say 9. Invalid mobile number length. So exactly, A I will write it. N in length only. But what is that? It is containing some sort of what? Invalid mobile number. Must enter what? Into digits only. If I say something like what? Hyphen. If I say something like hyphen, it is called invalid mobile number length only. So I will write something like 8. It is saying what? Valid mobile number and breaking. Are you following that? The most effective formula is what? This one. Online students, are you following? Is this code is clear? Respond. So it is almost we are going to enter into the quantifiers with the programmer defined exception, with the programmer defined character classes, with the quantifiers meaning we are coming across. Is it clear or not clear? Clear. Now I'm going to the next example. Shall we go to the next example? Right down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will extract which will extract names of the people names of the people names of the people which will extract names of the people from the given text from the given text from the given text. Important. From the given text. So I'm going to write it. Names కావాలి ఇప్పుడు. So program for extracting the names of the people. Names of the people. Names of the people from given what? Text. From given text. How do you do that? Here I am writing names extract or names extract example.py. So I'm going to write it. What is this now? I'm going to write it GD given data is equal to Rosum is the author of Python. Rosum is the author of Python. Author of Python. Python. Comma. Richie is the author of C. Is the author of C. Gosling is the author of Java. Author of Java. Author of Java. Next, I'm going to write it. I'm writing next term. Travis is the author of you know NumPy, and Kinney is the author of Pandas. Pandas. Right. This is called my given data, given text. From here, I want to extract names. First of all, before going to this, నేను ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను మీకు. I want to get it, this one, with some other, one more concept I want to tell. See, this is program for extracting words from given text. Words I want to extract. Let us keep the question as it is. I want to extract the words. Words means what? Words అంటే ఏంటి? A word which contains minimum 2 letters, maximum more than 2 letters. So how do you do that? Search pattern is equal to what is that? What is the word? Word will contain what? Alphabets. What are the alphabets? Expression. What is the alphabets formula? Muddu. A to Z, small a to Z plus A to Z, small a to Z plus. What is the plus indicates? One or more. What is that one or more? Alphabets. Alphabets. Maybe capital, maybe small. Are you okay? A to Z, A to Z. If I write it only like that, it will give you what? Only letters will come. Letters. All the sentences in the letters. So what to do now? I will get it. In this case, I will get this entire details like this. You observe it. Here I am going to take it. How simple it is. You see, SP of GD I am going to write it. Indices I don't want to print. Simply I will write what? Of course, find ITR. If you are interested, you can print the indices and all the letters indices will be coming. A big output will be coming. So this is called what? Words extract example. I will write it. Now, right now, what will come? Words extract will come, students. PY with indexes will be coming. Import RE. Import what? RE. Very simple coding. See, చూడండి అన్ని all the letters will be ROSUM, ROSSUM. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is not coming. Why 9 is not coming? Space is there. Are you getting? Now, do you want any indices now? I don't want indices. Only value I want to get it. Value means what I should not write it here. This starter index I don't want to write. Simply I will write it what? Only letters are coming. All the letters are coming. Do you want the letters? Huh? No. What I want? Words I want. Words. How to get the words? Now I'm going to say. Come on, fast. What I will write? Plus. What is the plus indicates? One or more alphabets. So ROSUM. ROSUM. Is it one or more than one? More than one. ROSUM is printed. Next, what is there? Space. Is the space is there? No. What is our formula? A to Z plus. Is space is A to Z? No. Next, it will go to where? IS. IS. What is IS? One or more. What IS will take. Next, what? Space. No. Next is what? The. It is called one or more. Space next. No. Author. Like that, it will give you what? All the words. Student, a beautiful formulas. A beautiful formulas. Is it coming or not? Mm. So this is called what extraction? Words extraction. Words extraction. A to Z and then this one. Don't write a space in the middle of that. I need to write something like that. Online students, Bono. Yes, Bono. Don't write like this, ma. W plus. W plus means what? Word character. Word character is equal to what? A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. I don't want 0 to 9 letters. I want only purely what? Alphabets. Alphabets. Suppose I am writing something like what 7. Something like 7. Which one is not coming? That 7. 7 is not coming. What is coming? ROS. And next what? SUM is coming. That 7 is not coming. If I write what? W. If I write what here? Slash. W plus if I write it. Slash W plus if I write it. What will be coming that time? What will be coming? 7 also coming. Are you getting it? Beautiful formulas they are called. Bono, are you okay, ma? So, coming to the point of it, here I need to go for what? I need to go for what? Hmm. A to Z, small a to Z plus. Plus I need to write it. So you got all the words got it. Instead of going for a find ITR, you can also simply write find all also you can write. Find all also you can write it. So you can take this one also. That time I need not write what? Mat dot group I need not to write. So find all returns what? List of words it will get it. List of words. That words I am printing. Getting right. Now I want to get today. Our previous example I want to go. What is our previous example? Names. Only names I want to get it. Observe the data pattern. Is the author of Python is everything small. The people's names you see capital R. Actually, PVM don't know which one is the name, which one is the word, don't know. Everything is called words only. It is your responsibility to prepare a search pattern in such a way that which one are given as a name. They said to us, every name starts with a capital letter. First with what? Capital letter. In the name, first letter is what? Capital. How do you take capital letters? You tell me. Capital A to Z. Capital A to Z. Okay. You are writing capital A to Z. Okay. How many? One only. In the name, first letter is what? Capital. After the first capital, next what? Small. How many? One or more. So I will write it. One more bracket open. A to Z plus. What a beautiful subject. A to Z. One only. That is a capital letter. Not everything written in the same bracket. A to Z, small a to Z. I am not writing like that. I am writing A to Z. It is one. Why? Name starts with which letter? Capital letter. After that, next I want to start small a to Z plus. Plus applicable for what only? Small letters. So this indicates what? One capital alphabet. Rest of them are small alphabets, one or more. That is the meaning of it. Search pattern. So to prepare the search pattern, you should have lot of three things you have to remember. One is predefined, programmer defined, quantifiers. Quantifiers. Three things I prepared it. Online students, you got it this point. Chapal Durga, you need to go for it. Names list is equal to names list is equal to I need to go for what? Come on. I need to go for what? RE dot find all of SP comma GD given data. Now I need to print of what? Names list. Names list, which is a list type is printed. List type it is getting printed. So I'm going to write it something like this. I'm going to write it. Execute py got it. Import re. Import re. So I'm writing here. So got it. All the names got it or not? How do you print them? I want to print them. For names, in where? Names list. Names list. Print of what? Backslash t. Dot format of what? Names. Names I will print it. So am I getting the names or not? Names I got it. Are you getting me? So these are called a list of names. Print of. So I'm going to write list of names and the list of names got it. So something like that. Is it okay? Now I want to extract it. Marks also I want to extract it. Next I want to get it. Some numerical values also I want to extract it. Write down. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract. Write a Python program which will extract. Which will extract marks of students. Marks of students. Marks of students from given text. From given text. From given text. Okay, students, you please look at this. Others here, Python here. This is my data here. Now I'm writing now. So try to eliminate this one, GD. Now I'm writing, observe it. Program for extracting the marks of people. Marks of people from given text. Rosam got, Rosam got, I will write it, got, I am writing here 55, 55 marks. Richie got, Richie got, so for 33 marks and Gosling got, so I'm writing here something like, 24 marks and Travis something like, got 78 marks and Kinney so, got 46 marks. So I want to extract it. How do I extract that marks? Search pattern prepare చేయాలి. Search pattern prepare. ముద్దు డిజిట్స్ కదా, డిజిట్స్కి ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? /d. అది గుర్తు లేకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారా మీరు? మొత్తం బిక్క మొక్కలు వేసుకొని కూర్చోన్నారు. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో దట్, హౌ డూ యూ డూ దట్? /d. How many? 2. I can write 2 here. I can write 2. A person may get a single mark also. Single, one digit marks also you'll get it. Simply I will write what? D plus. What is the D plus? One or more digits. వన్ ఆర్ మోర్. చెప్పే టాలెంట్ ఉండాలి. చెప్పే టాలెంట్ ఉంటే చదువుకొని ఉండాలి ఫస్ట్. యూ నీడ్ టు రీడ్ ఫస్ట్. మీరు చదువుతారా లేదా మీరు? /d+, మళ్ళీ అట్లే చూస్తూ ఉంటారు నాకల్లి. /d+. వాట్ ఇస్ ద /d+? మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసి రాసి అలవాటు అయిపోయింది. బట్టి కొట్టడము, అక్కడ పోయి వదిలేసి రావడం, మళ్ళా బట్టి పట్టడం, మళ్ళా రాయడం, మళ్ళా బట్టి పట్టడం, మళ్ళా రాయడం. ఇదే తంతు. బీటెక్ అయిపోయింది. ఏమైంది? మొత్తం రిలీజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఏమీ లేదు బ్రెయిన్ లో. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్ నౌ. మగప్ డంపింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఎగ్జామ్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ స్టైల్. రిసీవింగ్ మెమో పుట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద లాకర్. రిసీవింగ్ మెమో పుట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద లాకర్. దట్స్ ఆల్. వెన్ బీటెక్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్, వాచింగ్ ద మొబైల్స్. అప్పుడు ఏడుస్తారు, ఎందుకు, ఏం చేయాలి వీటితోని. వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ విత్ దట్ మెమోస్? టికెట్స్, ఆర్టీసీ టికెట్స్. నో యూస్. సో కాలేజ్ టికెట్స్ కూడా అవే. కాలేజీకి బస్ ఫీజు, మళ్ళా కాలేజ్ ఫీజు, మళ్ళా లైబ్రరీ ఫీజు, మళ్ళా ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫీజు, మొత్తం ఫీజులు కలిపి ఇంత అయినాయి. సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏమో ఇంత. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఫుల్ ఫార్మ్స్. అది ఒక పెద్ద స్కామ్. కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్. నవ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ మార్క్స్ లిస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, మార్క్స్ లిస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, కమాన్ వద్దు, మార్క్స్ లిస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు RE dot find all of find all of what I want to do, SP comma GD. SP comma GD. What will come? Marks list will come. Print of what? Marks list. Print of marks list. It will print it. So here I will write it marks marks list, marks extract example. So there I will save it. Out of that, print py. So got it. All these marks are printed. If I want to get those marks, I will write it. So marks of students, marks of students. I will write it there. What is that now? For marks in marks list. Marks in where? Marks list. There I will print it. Print of what? Backslash t dot marks. Dot format of one marks. So I will execute. So got the marks. Getting? So this is called marks. We got it. Next example of what I want. I want to get this names plus marks. Rendu kavali. I want names plus marks. Program for extracting names and marks of people from given text. So names marks. So names marks extract dot example. So this is called what? SP1 for marks. SP2 for what? Names. How do you take the names? Huh? Capital square bracket ఎవరు చెప్పాలి మధు ఓ మధు capital A to Z small a to Z square bracket close plus I need to write. Suppose if you give space also included. So here I need to write A to Z one bracket small a to Z plus is one more bracket. అది చెప్పడం కూడా రాదు అందుకే ముద్దు అనేది. సో బై మిస్టేక్ అది రెజ్యూమ్లో అట్లే రాసావు. సో A to Z and A to Z plus this is SP2. This is a marks list. This is SP1 marks list. Next I will go to what? Names list. Go to what? RE dot find all. Find all. SP2 comma GD. I want to print here like this. Like this I want to print. I want to print the names plus marks. Print of backslash T. Names I want to print. Backslash T. Marks I want to print. How do you print the names and marks? Names you know how to print it. Print of what here? Names list. Print of names list. Next print of what? Marks list. Marks list. Marks list. You try to go for names marks list marks extract example dot py. You execute it py. I got it. Names I got it plus marks I want to get it. I want to print in a tabular format. This is a names. This is a marks. Who is this? Row sum marks. I want to print a 55. Next is called Richie marks. I want to get a 33. Like that Gosling marks I want to get. Every person marks I want to print like a tabular format like this. How do you do? Can anybody can answer it? In the beginning days when you observe it, in map function time I said two lists are there. List 1 plus list 2 example I said. List 1 elements, list 2 elements, list 3 elements. List 1 one side, list 2 another side, list 3 another side అని గుర్తుందా? మనమంతా బ్రెయిన్ ఏడుండదు ఇక్కడ ఉంటది నీలో ఉంటది. సో యు ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు యూస్ ఫర్ నేమ్స్ కామా మార్క్స్ ఇన్ 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 ఎందుక మీరు జిప్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ నేమ్స్ లిస్ట్ కామా మార్క్స్ లిస్ట్. So this I need not to print here. I will print of /t dot format of names comma marks. Names comma marks. I'm going to print it. So there I'm going to write it. Names plus marks. Got it? This concept where I said maps. Addition of two lists. List 1, list 2. List 1, list 2. చూపియాలా? చూపియాలా? వద్దు. ఎందుకంటే చూసే బాధ. ఎందుకని సార్ చెప్పాడు. మనకు తెలియదు. So, go to the place. Here I will go. 11 a.m. Special functions. Special functions. Map example 3, map example 4. You see, there I am having here. You see, zip off. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. List 1, list 2, zip off. List 1, list 2, list 3. ఎక్కడ చూసినా స్వీట్ మెమరీనే. Whichever program you open, there is a sweet memory. అసలు ఎక్కడన్నా ఫీల్ అయ్యేది ఉందా? ఏం లేదు. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ స్వీట్ మెమరీ. డైరెక్ట్లీ ఓపెన్ ద ఫైల్. డైరెక్ట్లీ కంప్లీట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ మై బ్రెయిన్, విచ్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ ఫైల్ నేమ్స్ ఆల్సో. డైరెక్ట్ గా ఓపెన్ చేశాను అది. విత్ వాట్? దిస్ ఈస్ విత్ లిస్ట్ 1, లిస్ట్ 2, విత్ రెగ్యులర్ సైజెస్, విత్ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ సైజెస్ ఆల్సో. ఐ సెడ్ టు యూ దట్ ఇస్ అ మ్యాప్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5. మ్యాప్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 with irregular sizes, length greater than, less than, zip, etc. If it is a lesser, adding zeros. If it is something, adding zeros and then adding. So this is called my commitment and credibility towards the course. నేను మీరు చదవలేదని ఫీల్ అవ్వట్లే. You are not enjoying my subject and you are enjoying the day, but next day remembering is your remembrance here. If you don't remember, I'm not responsible for it. So I'm not a doctor to make you to understand. Only one medicine is there. Morning, evening, if you read well, you will get it. So online students, this part is clear. I hope so. Extracting names plus what? Marks. Now I want to get it. This data, I want to go for through files. I will take it through files. Through files. This data is present in where? File. This data present in where? File. This data is present in file. And I will write it. Here I will write it. Under KVR got, I'm going to write it. KVR got something like 22 marks. And Pujita got something like 44 marks. Something like that I got it. Something like that I got it. I will save this. I will save. Where I am saving in regular expression. What is my name I am going to take? Students dot data within the double quotes. This is there in the data is there in the file. I want to filter the data from the file through regular expressions. How do you do? Earlier, this data was there in where? In the program itself, this data is there. But here I am having inside of where? File. I'm having in file. Through file, I want to get the data. How do you do? Same example. Through file, I want to do it. This is through files, I want to do it. So how do you do? So I'm going to take up the new program. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి మనకు? ఫైల్స్ కావాలి. ఫైల్స్ వచ్చా మీకు? చెప్పినట్టు గుర్తుంది. So program for extracting names and marks from the people where the text is available in. Where the text is available in where? File. What is the file name? Students dot data. Come on, what you will do? Names extract from file. ఇది from files dot py. Tell me, how do you do? Import re. What you will do? What you will do? మేమేం చేసేది? మీరే చేయండి ఏదన్నా. యూ ఓన్లీ విల్ డూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. మనం ఏం చేయం అసలు. మనం బ్యాగ్ వేసుకోవడం, ఒక వాటర్ బాటిల్ పెట్టుకొని వచ్చేయడం. Come on, what you will do? Mm, right. Open the file. Open the file. In which mode? Huh? Which mode? R mode. వాళ్ళు రీడ్ అంటే మీరు ఆర్ అంటాడు అంతే. కొత్తగా ఏం లేదు అందులో. సో is it necessary to mention R mode compulsory? Come on. By default it is R mode. Tell me, how do you open the file in read mode? With open. With open. Okay. Tell me now. With open. What I must mention here? Huh? ఏందది? చెప్పు. Huh? Absolute path. How do you mention the absolute path? Here I will take it. Absolute path of what? Absolute path of what? Absolute path of current folder కాదు ముద్దు. Absolute path of the file where my file data present. So this student dot data is a file name which is containing in this place. This one I will take it. This one I will take it. So here I am writing it like this. So here I am writing. So here I am writing something like this. So KVR Python 11 AM regular expression 11 AM notes. 11 AM notes. Under that, I will write it what? Student dot data. Student dot data. Students. 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 DENTS. Students dot data. Comma what? R mode. As what? FP. What is FP? అదే వద్దని చెప్పాను. అందుకనే టాప్ క్వాలిటీలో మొదటి రకం. ఎవడికన్నా ముద్దోళ్ళు కావాలంటే ఇడికి వస్తే సరిపోద్ది. Except file not found error. File not found error. So print of what? File does not exist. File does not exist. Anybody can say what is FP? File does not exist. What is FP? ఇంకా ఫైల్ పాయింటర్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్స్ట్ IO wrapper. Text IO wrapper. Already explained. FP is pointing to the file. That's why it is named as a file pointer. మీరేం చేస్తారు, ఆ తోక పట్టుకొని ఇట్లా చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. అది ఎప్పుడోసారి ఊడిపోతే పోయి పడతావు అక్కడ. సో కమింగ్ టు దిస్ ప్లేస్ FP. Hindi students are not understanding what I'm saying. Hindi students not necessary. In Telugu students require that. Because they are always hanging by taking the tail. When the tail will leave, we don't know. So try to go for this place, FP. So now I will read the data. FP is pointing to the starting point of your file data. How do you read that? How do you read the data from the file? Statement I want. Statement I want. Variable name, very good. File data, good. Is equal to FP dot out of order. Read. FP dot read. It will read the complete data in the file. I will print file data. Simply I am writing file data. Just an example. So execute. So then I am writing it. Go to the location. Here I am going to write it. So here, there I will go to it. PY. See that complete data I got it. Complete data I got it. Are you following me? Total data of the file I got it. Now I want to read. After reading the data, I want to get it what? Regular expression I have to prepare for marks. Regular expression I have to prepare for names. What I will do? Already it is there in my previous program. This I will bring it. This I will bring it. As it is, I will bring it. Written over here. Written over here. Okay. What I will write it now? File data. File data. What I will write it here? File data. So this is called SP1, SP2. Applied on what? File data, which is coming from this file. From that file data, I am retrieving the names and marks. Beautiful. So through files also, exceptions also, in everything in at one place. Execute. Got it. So new students' names also getting or not? Yes. Online students. So once we are going to the subject, total subject is there in our mind. That is called a student. Student and our all the knowledge is there in the brain. Anytime when they ask the question, you have to answer immediately. That are called students. Will we find that students in this class? Hmm? Will we find or not? Yes or no? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. I will ask one question suddenly in one moment and you answer it. So coming to this is called one file name here, and that file name opened in read mode and I got it. Next, I want to go for one more example. Last example. Online students. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract, which will extract, which will extract mail ID, mail ID, which will extract the mail ID of different students, of different people, anything, different people, mail IDs of different people. So, mail IDs of different people. I want. How do you extract such a type of things? Now I'm going to enter. So here, this is my students' data. I will take up, I will copy, I will create a new file. Through files only, I will tell this. So let us go to that online students. Come to this back. I'm going to write the mail IDs. How do you write the mail IDs? I'm going to take it. So Rosum mail ID, mail ID is mail ID is mail ID is something like Python Rosum at the rate Rosum underscore py at the rate psf.com. Richie mail ID is Richie mail ID is Richie underscore c at the rate well dot well org.net org.net. Ghostling mail ID is Ghostling mail ID is I will write it something like Ghostling, something like some name Ghostling underscore John at the rate underscore John at the rate sun.co.in sun.co.in sun.co.in. Next I will write it. Travis mail ID is Travis mail ID is Travis underscore numpy at the rate numpy.org numpy.org or something like Travis 123 some number, and Kine mail ID is mail ID is something like Kine here of p at the rate pandas.org, and KVR mail ID is already you know my mail ID, so I'm writing it. Mail ID is kvr1 dot python at the rate gmail.com. This is my mail ID. The mail ID is Pujita underscore 12 at the rate tcs.com. Something like this. This is the data what you have. This is the data what you have in the file. Save it now. I'm going to write it mails.com, mails.data. I'm going to take up. This is my mails data. How do you write now? I will go for this kind of thing. I'll extract it. I'll take this now. New Python program I'm taking. See students, let us extracting names and what? Mails. Mails of people from text which is in the files. What are the files? Mails dot data. So I'm going to write it. Names, mails, mails extract from file example dot. Same. What is this now? Come on. Mails dot data, fp dot read, fp dot read. Now I need to go for. Once you get it, the total data of the files will be coming with mails. Now I need to prepare names. Anyhow, you are getting the names. Okay, names. Anyhow, you are getting the names. Okay, done. From file data, you are getting name. Mails list I want to prepare. Go to the file and then observe this data once. Observe this data because regular expression requires some type of high preparation of the subject. Regular expression is something like a mathematics formulas. Once you remember more formulas, you can do the problems easy. Without remembering formulas, you cannot do mathematics calculation. And easy solving is not possible. So see that students, at the rate symbol, left side you see, at the rate symbol, right side you see. What are available in the at the rate symbol, right, left side? Non-space characters are available. Right side also non-space characters are available. Which regular expression represents non-space character? Hmm? Slash? Slash? Come on, correct. Capital S. Slash capital S. That will represent what? Single non-space character. Single non-space character. How many non-space characters? At the rate left side, how many non-space characters? One or more. I will write what? Plus. And the right side also how many? One or more non-space characters plus. This is called extracting. Come on, mail IDs. Very, very important. How I am getting it? I am not going to get anything. I am getting from where? Predefined characters, programmer defined characters, quantifiers are the three pillars for you to design any kind of symbol like this. So I will go to this place now. I will go to this place and I'm writing here sp2 is equal to what I'm writing, or I'm writing slash s plus at the rate slash s plus slash s plus at the rate slash s plus. Come on, re dot find all sp1 dot names list. Come on, what is the next? Mails list is equal to re dot find all of sp2 comma file data. From file data, here I'm getting the names, here I'm getting the mails. I'm going to get it names backslash t. What is this now? Mail id, mail id. I'm going to get it. So here like this. I will get it here mails. Mails, here I will write it. Which list? Mails list. Mails list I am writing. So there I will write it backslash t. I will write it what? Mails. That's all. Execute it. So here I am writing it. Very, very simple. Here I am going to take up regular expressions. Go to this place. Online students. So here I'm going to take up py. This is the one. Got it. All the people's names and what? Names and mails. Perfectly got it. Are you following me? This is the way you need to extract it. So no need to write any manual operation. Simply these formulas will do wonders for you. So regular expressions you can apply on any data validation process you can apply. Understood? This is the subject of what? Combined programming examples and programmer predefined and quantifiers. And one small example I want to tell you. This is about quantifier related examples. One more small example I want to tell you. The sub function I want to tell you. Sub. Did you remember sub? Sub function. Program for demonstrating, easy, not a difficult, demonstrating subfunction of RE module. Okay, import RE. Given data is equal to, I'm going to write it something like Python. I'm going to write it Python. I'm going to write Python. Here I wrote it. Now I want to write in place of J, in place of P, I want to substitute J. Already this sub function not necessary. Already I said you how to do that. How to do that? How to substitute in this place? How do you do? Tell me. తెలియదు తెలియదు మనకు. So something like GD, something like S is equal to GD dot replace of replace of P comma J, P comma J, and print of what? Yes. Print of what? GD, print of GD. Now that I'm going to say sub example dot py, sub function example dot py, sub function example dot py. Save it, go to the place. Here I'm going to take it. So see that Jaitan. Where I said this? In the string handling concept only, string handling part 2 only I said this. Remembered? గుర్తులేదు. నాకైతే గుర్తుంది. కదా నేను రెగ్యులర్ స్టూడెంట్ కాబట్టి మనకు అట్లా గుర్తుండదు. మనకి ఎన్నో పనులు హైదరాబాద్లో. సో హియర్ I will say RE dot, what is that? Sub. RE dot sub. What is your data? What is your data? P. Need to substitute with what? J. In where? GD. GD. That will give you what? Yes. Yes. Print of what? Yes. What is the letter you want to replace in the GDP? With what? J. And this GD data, letter P replaced with the letter J. Okay. Execute. We got Jaitan. Okay. Come on, Madhubabu. Next. ఏం సౌండ్ లేదు అసలు. నెక్స్ట్ I will say GD is equal to Mississippi. 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 So next I will go to S is equal to S is equal to I. S is equal to I with what? Something like H. H. All the letters of I replaced with what? Letter called H. Letter called H. So see that all the letters I replaced with what? Like this. చెప్తుంటే నిద్రపోతున్నా. So come to this place. Are you following this? Next, not only that, not only that, one more kind of thing, one more kind of thing. Here I am going to write it. So GD is equal to teacher is explaining, teacher is explaining, ఏంటది? Teacher is explaining, student is అంతే, మీకు సరిపోయింది అది. అండ్ స్టూడెంట్ ఈస్ స్లీపింగ్. మీ స్లీపింగ్ విధానం చూస్తే నాకు అంత ఎట్లా ఉంది అసలు. సో నార్మల్ స్టూడెంట్ స్లీప్ వినట్లేదు. ఏదో ఇన్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ డేస్ when some chocolate is given, eating, sleeping, like that you are looking like. Still you did not have maturity in your levels. Still childhood days only. What problem it is, I don't know. S is equal to. These are all problem of your 17 years to 22 years education. Maturity level of teaching is not there. That's the main problem. I'll mug up and then putting into the exam paper. That is the main problem. Okay, no issue. Sub of this teacher, space is there, space. Again space. All spaces I want to replace with one arrow. Replace with one arrow. Sub, which is the regular expression for indicating space? Slash s. Slash s. I will write a slash s. I will write r comma r comma. What I want to arrow comma what? GD. So I will go for keeping G. Go for keeping in print of s. Execute. Got it. What is that? GD got RE dot. RE dot. Getting or not? Teacher. Like this. Every space is replaced with what? Arrow. Arrow. Are you getting it? So like that. Now, S is there now. S1 is equal to this you printed. Next I will write it S1 is equal to S dot. S dot. Sub of what? Sub of what? The arrow symbol is there now. The arrow symbol is there, which I want to substitute with a reverse arrow. Reverse arrow, comma, what? S1. S1. Print of S1. Print of S1. Execute. So got it. RE dot. RE dot. Execute. S1. Yes dot. S. Yes, that is. Got it. This is called the forward arrow. This is called what? Backside. Comma is also there. So here, this comma. Hmm. Got it. This is a forward arrow replaced with this kind of thing. Sleep. This is called a sub function. If you go to my predefined functions, sub functions, if you look at last, this function replaces matches with the text of your choice. Here, the rain in Spain. So backslash s, that is a space replaced with a symbol called 9. That is replaced with a symbol called what? 9. These are all called my functions in RE. So that is my topics which are available today. That is my course ending. So Monday, today class course is completed. Now Monday, module 2 will start at the same 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is a class which is starting. Online students, now course is completed. Now today I may not be talking to online students by saying, do you have any doubts or something? Because the last class I'll talk to offline students. So online students. So technically this Python class is over, and Monday again you are going to attend the same class where I'm going to start the module number 2, where it is NumPy Pandas Matplotlib will be starting. Okay, students. So I'm going to stop it. Are you going to attend from Monday onwards this class at the same time? Come on, fast, everybody. So completed. So now I'm going to enter into I will stop my class and Monday class, and don't think that Python is completed. When you go to any interview on Python, compulsory these concepts will be coming. Only if you learn a part of it, only on one part, getting job is not that much resultant words. So anything if you want to strengthen, you have to add multiple skill set to that entire subject. Full stack Python, for example, all things you need to write very perfectly, very perfectly. You need to learn it. Notes, complete processing, everything you need to go for it. So I'm going to explain. Again, third party modules, once again, we are going to discuss NumPy, almost 15 to 16, 17 days. Pandas, same. And Matplotlib, 10 days. This will be, as on today, when the Power BI comes, it has less value. These two are very, very important in data analytics and data analysis. Very, very important for a full stack Python students. Don't miss it. At the same time, Monday, 9 o'clock, Monday, 9 o'clock, New Python batch is starting. New full stack Python is starting. Any of the friends and relatives are there, tell them. Before telling, you need to tell. It's a very danger faculty. You will ask all the times questions. If you read well, if you read the notes well, then only we must attend. Otherwise, problem you need to tell. Okay. So online students. So I will be stopping the class and we will be welcoming you on Monday class. Provided need to read and come. Already that agreement paper is already there. Okay now. So my Python class is over, online students. So today I'm going to log out. Students, shall I log out now? So I'm saying all the best and best of luck for module 1 is completed and welcoming for Monday is module number 2. So module number 2 and today or tomorrow within this 1 or 2 days, I'll keep this total course. Total course is there now 11 a.m. This entire course is there. All the topics I will keep it in 2 zip files. I will keep it. 2 zip files I will keep it. You download the zip files and preserve in your hard disk. Okay. So if you, I don't know whether you have written the notes or not. Whether you have written the notes or not, I don't know. Are you writing notes? Still writing notes? Very doubtful. Do you have notes ready now itself? Hmm. Writing, but not reading. ఏం దానివల్ల చదవాలి కదా. So coming to the point back. So national anthem. No, national anthem. No. Actually, 2 days back, Vande Mataram, 150 years. Actually, I forget to tell you in the class. So everybody need to sing a song of that. Okay, anyhow. So go to that. Aniket, very exciting on Monday class. See, Monday class, same faculty, same commitment, same responsibility. Monday, all of a sudden, 2047 is not coming. Same commitment, same responsibility, same subject discussion. More and more subject is going to come in front of you. Okay, now? So exciting is more. At the same time, notes reading is important. Without reading, if you hundreds of classes, if you attend of mine, no use kada. You need to read. Okay, students. So one small question I'm asking. So far, module 1 is completed. Online students, are you fully satisfied with my explanation of module 1? Online students, everybody need to respond. Any? Right? Hmm? Sir, we written the notes while running the class like Janaganamana. So, hmm. So, any more? Right? Done. Any more advices you want to give regarding this? Right? Good. Good. So, any advices you want me to give during this class? So, any more advices? So, one more small question. When I'm calling Modu students like that, did you felt anything wrong, students? Online students, did you felt anything wrong? Hmm? No. Okay, very good. All of them are sportive students. Very good. Okay, nice. Okay, students. Very closely felt. Nice. That's what. Right. Nice. Okay, students. Thank you for your commenting. So, yes, ma'am. Shashidhar, logging concept is there in the web development only. It will come. Web development. Logging concept will come in Django. It's a very small concept. That means when you send a mail, when you receive the mail from anything, the company will monitor you what type of mails you got it, what type of mails you are receiving it. That we are going to use it. That is in development of that will come. And a T-Quinter is something like a GUI programming, like a Java, Swing and AWT. It is a very old, outdated concept. It's a very old, outdated concept. Outdated things learning is no use. Okay. So, so that's why students. So Thank you, my dear students. Monday class, try to attend. It's more important for you. Okay, don't miss it. So, online students, now I'm going to stop it and I'm going to say log out and don't miss the Monday class. Thank you. Online, 1 minute, some more message. Sir, please take Django class. I want to learn everything from you. You are the best teacher. Right, students? Definitely, there is no doubt in that. I will take Django class. UI also I will take. Database classes I will take. Everything I can take. But if I take only my side, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, only single driver, it it will be it will be very much tired and different people, and they should be committed first of all. Suppose if they hand over any subject for me, I will explain fully thorough with the subject. Full thorough I will make it. If you don't read, I cannot do anything. If your parents gives one written letter to me, definitely I will make you wonderful and with my expectation. I will take big stick and I will handle you compulsory. You will 100% will spell out what I am saying. But your parents has to give a written letter for me. They have to give a written letter for me. Sir, you take care whatever you want. Then I will definitely set right. 100% I will set right. On the doubt him ledangal. But only thing is in 2025 that model is not correct. That's why I'm because you're all matured people. You need to take care about your life. You need to do that. So if my batch will start, you will attend. And otherwise, other faculty batch you have to attend. Okay, now students. So if it is that, we'll take it. So Ramchandra. So okay, nice. So Rishikesh Chauhan, we can join further class of you. Yes, Monday it is starting. What do you call NumPy pandas will be starting. So you try to attend that. Okay, na? Online students. Now I'm going to log out and I'll speak to offline students for 2 minutes after the class. Thank you. All the best. We'll join once again on Monday. Thank you.